say I have any regrets about it because I did my best at that moment.
Yeah,
And
that's important.
That's
ma'am.
important. Or maybe that time I was juggling, I would say, and it's very easy saying that looking at the hindsight, yes, I did things well. No, I did fumble at a lot of places, but it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I was going to say that now. It's
absolutely
okay. It's absolutely
and
okay.
I think this is the message, which I want to give to young mothers.
Yeah.
That it's okay because we are also new mothers. When you have a child, you are as new as the
So
child.
there's a young mother sitting in front of you today.
So I think you should always remember that and you grow with as the child grows.
Yes.
And you become experienced as and because for you it's always a new day, a new challenge, and we always think that a bacha bada ho jayega to I'll be free.
Yeah.
It's never like that. The challenges change.
Yeah.
And maybe he's more independent on certain things and more dependent on certain different aspects. So I think it's very important, and that's been my learning, is to evolve along the time goes by and not to be stuck
In one thing.
So I think being a woman or a homemaker, I tried and I did my best, but my only focus was that I should be true to whatever I do.
Yeah.
And to own it up also, that if I didn't do well, it's okay to say that maybe I tried and it didn't happen, it's okay. And not to actually confront saying that no, I did and all that. So let's stop doing that and let's just move ahead and say that I did my best.